low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So a thing of the day, push button Nokia 5710 XpressAudio with headphone compartment. HMD Global unveils Nokia 5710 XpressAudio, a phone with a built-in TWS headphones. HMD Global has introduced an unusual novelty, the new Nokia 5710 XpressAudio mobile phone. In appearance, the mobile phone is the most ordinary and does not attract much attention. But as it turned out, an exit mechanism is installed on the back of the phone. HMD Global has announced the new Nokia 5710 XpressAudio feature phone with a built-in headphone compartment. There are hidden TWS wireless headphones. Like many headphones of this type, they are very easy to connect to the device using Bluetooth, and then you can listen to music or radio. Headphones are hidden behind a sliding cover. The earphones are included and can work up to 4 hours on single charge. They also charge from a smartphone. From one full charge, the headphones in active mode can work up to 4 hours. Wireless headphones are charged using a 1450 mAh battery built into the phone itself. Let's talk about other phone characteristics. In addition to such an interesting secret, the smartphone itself is equipped with a 2.4 inches QVGA display, a 1450 mAh battery, and supports 4G networks, 2 slots for SIM cards to store music or other content. There is a slot for micro SD card up to 32 GB. There is also an additional 3.5mm headphone jack for connecting conventional wired headphones. The novelty also has 4G supported. Works Nokia 5710 XpressAudio running S30 Plus operating system. By the end of July, sales of new items will start in Europe. The device can be purchased at a price of €69. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
I don't wanna be a slave, I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.